So I'm starting off with our maple brown sugar lip mask, and I'm basically just using it as a base, making sure my lips are fully hydrated and moisturized. So as I'm doing this step, I'm just making sure that I'm cleaning the edges around my lips and keeping the mask within my lip line. Now for the finishing touch, I'm going to be using our pure Perilla serum, and I'm basically using this to give my lips that nice lip gloss shine. This lip duo came out so perfect. I literally loved it, and not to mention it's non-sticky, long-lasting, and my lips just felt super moisturized and hydrated. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.